Stop looking at me. It's bumpy. Oh, oh, oh,
Y'all don't know what we do in our spare time?
We go on roller coaster rides. Woo!
Ride it out and jump off the edge of this thing. Don't be scared. Ooh.
I'm not gonna jump off the edge.
Hold up, baby.
Okay, I'm not sure what all of this stuff is. He said they sent another box out that they wanted us to put on the bike as well. The children's seat and the back cushion. Is it the children's seat or is it the running boards? Or is it both?
I think it's a children's seat.
Oh, you told them we had kids?
No, they asked could it be in the video. I said, sizzle bike.
I'm gonna put you on the bike.
Y'all so cool. You gonna put me on the back? Be like, I ain't no child, but it'll hold you. Y'all, it's a little dusty because we've been playing on it and testing it out.
The children's like it.
It's dope. Yeah, they do like it. I love my kids. I bet y'all can do some cool stuff with this. I'm gonna trick this out.
Trick it out.
It's gonna be like, where the mule at? Oh, this ain't the mule. We gotta name this one. We're gonna name it Bentley. 35. All right. All right, let's go and let's take it to the street.
Man, you can't have a booty and ride.
No, because you can't. Oh, you can lift it up. You want to sit higher? You got to jump off real quick and pull. There you go. Wow. What's with that sound all of a sudden? It ain't been doing it. Oh, is it rubbing on the fender?
You pulled it too tight.
Oh, I see where it's rubbing on the fender. So we just need to push it over and retighten it.
Yeah.
It's that. Ooh, making her cycle. Ooh, I saw you. Open the gate. Let's go. Let's get it. Man, it's rubbing on there good too. Hit it. Man. Yeah, that one is smooth, y'all. You like it? You moving on that thing. What you think of it though?
It's nice.
Okay. All right, let me act a fool on that thing for a minute. Rocks are crazy.
It's fresh.
The rocks are crazy.
They're fresh and they're huge.
Anyway, it's too bright out here to give you headlights, but we got what we need. It's dope.
You can still put the headlight on.
Huh?
You can still put the headlight on.
Yeah, let's see.
There it is.
It turned on, you can see it, hopefully.
Yeah, you can see it turn it off. Yep.
All right, y'all, this one is my favorite one. It's dope. I guess maybe it's built for the big bodies, I don't know, but it's nice, it's
Put it
solid.
on the kickstand so I can try to get in the back.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh boy is right. Whole thing gonna flip back on me.
Oh. Okay, go. Go, I got it. Oh, snap. You got it? Man, if you don't stop playing.
Get my knees in.
Man, you ain't getting nothing in nowhere.
Get my knees and my hips
Ain't
in
no
there.
way that's finna happen. Ain't no way. You could lay across that sucker or straddle the whole thing. You gonna try it? Of course you gonna try. Hold up.
Hey.
Don't move so much. Okay, hold on.
Let's go for a ride,
Take the
Dad.
camera. Girl, this is ridiculous. Hold on, I gotta get it off the kickstand.
Oh, shizzle. Shizzle on the snizzle.
Man.
Whoa. I can't even hop off if something go wrong.
Hold on, let's not go out there. Let's just stay in on the property.
Okay. You got it. Oh, good Jesus.
Yes, indeed. This is
scary.
Yeah, let's see if we make it, y'all. All right.
Okay, if I say stop, then just stop. Stop looking at me.
Hold on.
Okay, it's bumpy. Oh, oh, ee, oh, ee, oh.
All right. Woo. Woo.
I got a Charlie horse in my hip.
Oh, in your hip?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, baby. Y'all wanna know what we do in our spare time?
We go on roller coaster rides. Woo!
Ride around in a
Put your
circle.
hands up, babe.
You ain't off this bus, ma'am.
Okay, I gotta figure out how to get out.
Here, let me get
Oh,
off.
no, stay right where you are.
Oh,
Stay where your ass was.
okay, all right. Come on, man.
Now I got a Charlie horse in my chest. Good Jesus.
In your chest?
Yeah, like my chest muscle.
Man, you want me to help you?
No, I was fine till you decided you wanted to move the bike.
Oh my God.
Good Lordy.
I'm on, baby. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh my God. What the?
Ow! Ow! Oh, you jump off, throw it on the kickstand, it's on.
This is the Sizzle BK electric bike. Powered by a 1300 watt motor, it hits up to 28 miles an hour and rolls for 65 miles on a single charge. It maxes out at 500 pounds and still rides smooth with high quality hydraulic brakes and front suspension. No gas, no limits, just power and freedom.
Look, I was hoping I was going to be able to get out because, you know, sometimes you can get stuff in, but then you can't get it out.
I would have just dumped you out. It's dope, though.
It's crazy.
All right, y'all. Man, it's the Sizzle bike. I won't front. It's nice. Look like you tore the little thing already.
It's
all right.
Turn it around.
We was too big for that, but we gonna trick it out, and we gonna use it for the muscle around here. A little more muscle. When you don't want to bring out the tractor, bring out the Sizzle bike. All right, y'all. Look, link in the description. The bike is dope. My favorite one so far. The new pieces they sent us. We appreciate y'all.
Yeah, this is really cool. It's actually a very comfortable ride in the back, to tell you the truth.
Really?
It is.
So we got nieces and nephews that can fit in there freely, probably two. So, and somebody on the handlebars and another person
Nobody riding on no handlebars. They got too much stuff up
from
here.
where I'm from. You get your ride how you get your ride. Man, we up out of here. This is a different kind of ending because we ending.
Sizzle. That means it's hot.
Anyway, go check it out if you're gonna check it out, man. Don't forget to hype us up,
Hype your bestie up.
subscribe, and thumbs up. Anyway, man, we done. We delirious. We done too much
It's time
work
to
out
go
here.
eat some lunch.
You gonna feed me?
No, I'm gonna eat.
And then I can't do nothing?
No.
Peace.
Bye.
It's dope, right?